a young student from Shillong has achieved a historic milestone by scaling the world's highest peak. In a moment of pride for Meghalaya and the entire Northeast, 20-year-old Refinus Wadri has successfully scaled Mount Everest as part of the NCC Mount Everest Expedition 2025. She reached the 8,849-meter summit at around 4:45 a.m. of the 18th of May, becoming the only climber from the region in a 38-member team. With this achievement, Refinus becomes the third woman and fourth individual from Meghalaya to conquer Mount Everest, joining the ranks of Gary Jarman Lamare, Wansuk Merthong and Dorleen Kharbhi. A resident of Kanton Umon in Latkor, Refinus began her mountaineering journey through the NCC during her school years at the Auxilium Convent. She is also a national-level wushu and kickboxing athlete, having represented the state in various events. Currently in New Delhi for further training and opportunities, she is expected to return home within a fortnight. Her parents have expressed immense joy and gratitude, thanking God for her safe return and pledging continued support for her dreams, while also emphasizing the importance of her education.
Họจะจะมาสดจริงเป็นกล่องมาสดมาสดจริงเลยมาละกลีคนรู้ยองป้าไอเอ็นซีเอ็มยังไงบางงานเล็กจากกันกันมาเป็นเรื่องแต่อันนี้ฉันก็งาสูเสียเลยเลยงับเป็นคนปัดกำลังคอนฟิเดนซ์นะกองป้างำติ้งแต่งารองปัดพิมติ้งแต่งองบ่าต้องคิดเลยnomor ki napuan sesi ka ila support dengan sesi ka bakli dengan sesi berkat dengan kamsu ngan kemudian apa pedang di bakli dengan sesi kita ngar masu mentapat apa ila job mentapat masu kemen sang sung sarong masu tenat ni sa kalau enggak job kerau berkejim kaburam ro ika inga sem kaburam ika state jala jungi bat ka wanra buram ro ika rikasi jungi bat om tangi rikasi ji hendai ka wanra buram ika jalai berkawai om tangi jala jungi ro hendai ila wanra buram ro ika not is jungi berkawai namar dai tang i marwai iba represent ika not is jungi berkawai ika tang tangi so mu blay nang kong kai kai berkat ka jingi alam start jong blay
kawai bang ngakat di jingkeman kata dengan aku boleh ipat mau aku boleh sibun ni imah temde lang bajong ite mah tadi jing slol jong ini ba ia be ka thong na do kada nuat tang kata i jingkeman tu ini do ni dak ka jingkeman nama ba yo imah ba ini ai betul sapang itu be sapang ni kun ka long ni nosan ni encourage ba indi bantian di banjai bi mat pendap bet submit pen ni dap ka jing singamu ru yo blay nama ba ni tep ba du blay ula don pa ka purpose ma ula don pa ka ta jing thu ka jing im ka jing but ni shi ba blay pendap ye ka jing ye ka purpose ka jang ba ni dap ka jing kaman ni kan tam ayu blay ba ma so pala di program.
Preparations are underway in Meghalaya for a grand welcome. A formal felicitation is being organized by the NCC at the Assam Rifles headquarters in Latkor, Shillong. Her schools and college are planning tribute programs, and localities where she has lived, including Laujanreu, Jili Shop, Nongthamai and Kanton Umon, are also gearing up to celebrate her success. The Senkur Wajri clan is coordinating the celebrations, which will include a warm reception and a series of events to honor her remarkable feat. Refinus Wadri's extraordinary journey is one that continues to inspire the region. Her success stands as a shining example of courage, determination, and the spirit of youth.